Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here. What I want to do with this video is run through our VIP trade signals and show you how they're stacking up. So I'm posting these signals in. Sometimes they look like this. You can pause the video at any time, and I'm taking these on my prop firm accounts, posting them in here as such, so my members can follow my signals. So how are they stacking up? Well, if we have a look at this spreadsheet over here, the last 105 trades, we've achieved just under a 90% win rate. What does that look like? I'll show you on the charts so you can see the outcome and also, find out if this is something that would interest you. Very quickly, before we jump into the charts, there's a link below. I want you to check it out. It's our We Trade Your Forex Account service. If you click on this FX Blue link down here, it'll take you to this page where you can see the full history of our master account. We can connect your account to this, and as you can see here, we doubled this account in 6 months. In the 9 months we've been running it, we've achieved 160.4% return, averaging at 11.5 per month. So if that's something of interest, the link is below. All the information is on this page. We trade your Forex account on my website, tradingwithanthony.com. So let's jump into the charts and we'll have a look at these signals. I think this one was one of our signals yesterday. Just ignoring this bearish sign at the moment, you can see that we traded into a daily order block, or actually it was a 4-hour daily combo. So I decided to go long here. You'll see that most of my signals are a market and a limit. So we make room for the possibility that this spikes down. And you'll see what that looks like when we run through here. I think yesterday we had a pound CAD. We entered here at market level, and then it spiked down and our limit order was filled, and that was a really nice outcome. Pound dollar might have been another one. See how we go in here with a market and then we set up a limit order under. So let's just run through from the top down and go through some of these recent signals, and so you can get a bit of an idea of what kind of an outcome you would expect. Anyway, we'll just run through these. And I want you to have a look at these results and consider if this is something that you might be interested in. Aussie, Kiwi, where was that? Look at these signals, by the way, guys. Might have been a little bit further back. This tells us the higher time frame is favoring a bullish move. And of course the outcome. Now this was one, stop loss was hit, avalanche, as far as I remember. I went long here and we got taken out under here. Bitcoin, this one is an idea I posted, I think, yesterday, and we're just still waiting on see if this retraces back up into this sell zone here. CAD yen. So, I mean, you can see the results of these trade signals. I mean, there's two ways you can approach this. You could set a one-to-one risk reward and leave it at that, or you can choose to close a portion of your position at T1 and bring your stop loss to be in the money and trail the rest. That's an option. Euro CAD was the next one. So you can see these signals are quite good. This one, I was ignoring this bullish trend here, given that we traded up and I got this signal. Take it out to the hourly. It's probably a little bit easier to read. Euro dollar. So guys, I mean, if you like what you see here, here's an invite to jump on board, and I mean, all these are winning trades, and join us on this journey. We can see that we've got a high win rate, and if you manage your trades well, you get the idea. So you can see that, some of these will give you quite a nice run where you'll be able to trail your stop loss. Then the secret to this is keeping the risk consistent in terms of the position size. So no matter what the stop loss range, it will always be the same. And I've done videos on this. I won't go through that in this video. I just wanted to give you a bit of an idea of how these are stacking up. US oil, that was quite nice. Yeah, so I think you get the picture. So guys, what I want to do now is, with this trade copy, let's have a look at the results here. Over the last 9 months, we've achieved an average of 11.5% per month. What does that look like? Let's say you have a $5,000 account, and we'll back it off to 11%. This account, if we continued to achieve the same results, averaging at 11% per month, would double in the 6 months. And this is when I encourage my clients to withdraw the initial deposit, and the rest is risk-free. And look at the outcome. And this is assuming you pay the fees out of pocket. But then if we include the fees, it's 30% of the profit. If you have a look back here, for example, the gross profit is $550. 30% of $550 is $165. So that's my fee. It's a win-win, profit share. Maybe the first few months, let it grow, pay the fees out of pocket, and then after that, withdraw them from the account. So what does, say, a $15,000 account look like? When we get above 10K, it's a 25% profit share. You'd probably want to withdraw the fees. So we're looking at, if this was to continue to perform, averaging 11%, 15 turns to 30, and that's including withdrawing the fees here in month 8. And that's when we kick off again, and this is when I would suggest the initial balance deposit is withdrawn, and then the rest is risk-free. Having a look at a $20,000 account, if the account continues to do more of the same, my suggestion is to withdraw the initial deposit, and the rest is risk-free. And then you can see the benefits of compounding growth. 50,000, it's a 20% profit share, quite a nice outcome in a very short amount of time if it continues to perform. And quickly, 100,000, you can see the power of compounding growth. And for those considering $1 million account, again, month 8, withdraw the initial deposit, starts again, and then the rest is risk-free. Nice outcome. 2 years. Back over to the website to join. Scroll down, read the information. There's a $75 setup fee. Contact us, send us your trading platform access, and understand that at no time do we have access to your funds. That stays with your broker account. You can deposit and withdraw at any time. We only require access to MT4 or to MT5 trading platform to execute trades on your behalf. Those of you wanting to join VIP, over here, you've seen the trade signals. I mean, with both of these opportunities, I invite you to do the math. And with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, as always, and we'll see you in the next video.